Good afternoon, Gavin Knox here from Knox Scientific Hydrogen Fuel Systems Proprietary Limited in Perth, Western Australia. Here we've got 3 units which have been sold to Richard Brainsborough in Queensland for his 19 litre trawler. A Generation 20 system sold to a farmer in northern New South Wales, and a Generation 15 system sold to Trevor Fairbrother in Queensland. Again, what can we say about 3 systems? They're all very secure. Power supplies are enclosed in checker plate, also die-cast aluminium enclosures. 50 amp ammeters attached to the surface. Very secure unit. Tied down, held down by cable straps or by stud inserts and brackets across the top. In this case here, the nut inserts are located in the base of the box, and we have bolts going through the unit to the base of the box holding in position, so it's very rigid, very strong. Okay, this one here is ideal for engines up to 16 litres. This one here up to engines up to around about 12 litres, and engines here up to 8.5, 9 litres, 8 litres. Generation 15 system. Generation 20 system in a steel enclosure box. Generation 20, 2 Generation 20 systems mounted into an aluminium checker plate aluminium enclosure box. Again, very rigid and very secure. Ties it down here. In the case of the steel one, we have our securing straps, and we put nuts through the side there to hold them in position, or bolts through the side. And the last one, Generation 15 unit. Again, locked down securely as. Nice tidy unit. This unit here measures 44 long, so 44 long by 25 wide by 32 high. This one is 42 long by 34 wide by 32 high. And this one is 68 long by 36 wide by 40 high. Generation 20 system, twin system, 2 power supplies, the gas coming through here into one common joint going out to the back of the box through a push lock fitting. 2 systems here, each with their own individual power supplies, 1, 2, and their own individual recycling containers here, which can hold 3 litres of fluid. Single Generation 20 system can go in an aluminium box, or it can go into a steel box. Aluminium box is the size I have over here, and there's the aluminium checker plate box, or checker plate aluminium box. Very secure and lockable. Out of the way. And lastly, the single Generation 15 system. That's ideal for engines up to 8.5 litres. Again, power supply enclosed in a die-cast aluminium box. Pumping system, 3 litre containers here. 3 Generation triple booster cells, which means there are 2 cells in each of those cells, so 6 cells in total. Again, this has 6 cells inside it. These ones have 6 cells for the enclosure. Now the box, you can't really see the cells in this case. The cells are held down inside this special plastic enclosure. The bottom here is made of 3 levels with pumping systems and high-speed jetting going for it as well. I can be contacted through my email at glknox, that's glknox, at dodo.com.au. I can also be contacted on my phone, mobile, 040 317 7183 in Australia. If you're overseas, you dial 61 first of all. My webpage is www.hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au. Have a great day. I'll catch you later on. Bye.